Are you using an electric razor? Well, let's talk about that. Hey everyone, in this video, I want to talk about the electric razor and how it can affect your beard growth and your shaving experience. Now, the age-old electric razor has been around for a very long time and is a convenient way for you to shave and actually keep your beard trimmed up throughout the day. Now, the benefit of the electric razor, we don't have to lather up and we don't have to get in the shower or wet our face. We can just go ahead and shave dry and get that nice smooth skin throughout the day. And we can keep this anywhere we want except the TSA, but also, that's not true actually, we can't bring this on the TSA. But the fact that we can bring this and shave whenever we want to is a very, nice convenience. There is no more 5 o'clock shadow. And there's one thing that not a lot of people know about when it comes to the electric razor and how it affects your beard growth and the actual beard cut of the shave. Now, jumping straight into it, let's talk about the electric razor and how it works, right? We have a guard that goes over the actual blade itself, and with this guard, your hair goes into the screen and the blade cuts it off. So as we turn on the electric razor and we ride the skin, you can hear it knocking off the hair of the skin. Now, at the end of the day, it works, and they wouldn't keep selling if it didn't work. The only caveat of that is how smooth of a shave you're getting, and second, how your beard growth is gonna grow after the shave. Now, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of credit because I think, the first one to bring up the ingrown hairs that are caused by the multi-blade. And after that multi-blade passes, it's gonna go over 1, 2, 3, and now they've got 5 blades, right? And it's gonna go under the subsurface, the hair, and that's gonna cause ingrown hairs. And that can affect your beard growth, right? The hair growth that comes from your neck, your cheek, your chin, your mustache, and depending on your ethnicity too, your skin sensitivity, it can actually cause, some bumps, some acne, and can, come off as a not really good look. So back to the electric razor, what is it causing, right? Well, as you're going over the skin, it's actually nubbing off and kind of like chewing at your hair. So when you're using a multi-blade, which once again, it's okay to use, right? That's just not my preferred method of shaving. We've got so many different ways of shaving. And for me, I really just like sticking to the safety razor or the straight razor. It's easy, it's been around since the beginning of the days because it's one blade, you're shaving out one layer of skin, it's easy to go. But back to the electric razor, yes, it's a convenience to use. Is it gonna really affect your beard growth? Not as much as I think the multi-blade will, but the fact that it actually, at the end of it, it gnaws it off. And I'll show you guys a picture right here. I should have done this before, but you can see the difference between the straight razor and the electric razor. And I think this can cause a problem down the line as your beard grows, your neck, your cheek, your chin, wherever, and it can actually cause split ends, and you're not getting that nice angle of attack on your beard. Pilots, yes, I gave you a little bit of a nod. So this is something that I'm not gonna get rid of. I will always use just in case as a backup. It's good to have a backup of a backup of a backup. But I wanted to bring some attention to you guys. If you guys are using an electric razor, it might be a good idea to try a different razor to see if it helps out and gives you a better cut and a better shave. So with that, I hope I gave you guys a little bit of insight on the razor and shaving game. It's funny how some people might not know some of this information, but if you already know, that's great. Give this video a thumbs up, a like. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. See ya!